2017 Leaving Cert Higher Level Paper 2 Question 4. We're given 3 points. They're on a circle and we're asked to find the equation of the circle. There's a couple of ways to do this. Let's just do a quick sketch. This is the point 0, 0. 6.50 would be here. And it's not very accurate, but 10.7 will be somewhere up here. Now, the equation of a circle, the chord, the perpendicular bisector of a chord goes through the center, so we could actually quite easily get one of the values of the center here using 0, 0 and 6.50, or we could use the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and then we sub in our y values. The only unknowns will be g, f and c, and in fact, because 0, 0 is one of the points, we're going to get c is going to be equal to 0 right at the start. So that's probably the quickest way to do this question. So from a 0, 0, we're going to get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c equals 0. So initially we can get c equals 0, so now we've only got 2 unknowns. So putting point B in, another 0 in here, so this will work out quite quickly too. 6.50, 6.5 squared plus 0 plus 2gx, so that's 13x, 2 by 6.5 is 13, plus 0 is equal to 0. So we're going to get 13x is equal to, what's 6.5 squared? It's going to be 13 over 2 squared, which will be 169 over 4, which is 42.25. So minus 42.25. Does x divide into that evenly, or 13 divide into that evenly? 3.25. So we have our x value. So now we can just find out our y value. C is 10.7. So we're going to get 10 squared plus 7 squared. Now this is g. I wrote x here. Just let me just go back up. I should have written, that's my g, isn't it? 13g. So we have 2gx, so that's minus 6.5 by x, so minus 65 plus 2fy, so plus twice 7f, so 14f is equal to 0. So that gives me 149 minus 65 plus 14f is equal to 0. So 14f, 149, take away 65 is equal to 84. So it's positive 84, we're bringing across, making it negative 84. And 6 14s is 84, so f is equal to minus 6. So the equation of the circle becomes x squared plus y squared plus 2g, but that's minus 6.5x. And then it's going to be again minus 12y. 6 by 2 equals 0. We're asked to find the angle BCA and give our answer in degrees corrected 2 decimal places. So BCA, let's have a look here, just connecting this sketch of a circle. So B is this one, C is up here, A. So if we can use the cosine rule here, we get the length of each side, we could get the angle quite easily. We could also use, we get the slope of AC and the slope of BC. We could also use the tan of theta formula. I think I might do it that way. So let me just write my 3 points down again. A is 0, 0. B 6.50. C is 10.7. So which lines do I need the slopes of? Just double check. AC and BC. AC and BC. So the slope of AC change in y's is 7 over the change in x, which is 10. And you can see that this is a positive slope from the diagram. Now it is a sketch, but it's close enough. BC will be increasing in x and increasing in y, so BC will also be positive. So the slope of BC, change in y is 7 over the change in x, which is 3.5, so that's equal to 2. So we have this formula, the tan of theta is equal to what, plus or minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. It's in the tables if you don't know. And this will give me the angle between two lines. So I can start with either one. I'll start with the 7 over 10 minus 2. It's just putting into the calculator over 1 plus 7 over 10 times 2. So 7 over 10 minus 20 over 10 minus 13 over 10. You could type it into the calculator at this point, and we have 10 over 10 plus 14 over 10, which is 24 over 10. So our denominators will cancel. So the inverse tan of minus 13 over 24 is equal to theta. We'll come up with a minus 28 degrees here, but we're going to look at 28 degrees positive. We could put in the positive 13 over 24, 28, and correct it 2 dp, 4429, 4429, so 2 dp, 28.44 degrees.